Alright, here we got the iRobot Roomba 535 model. We got the power supply right here. Works great. Brand new filter. Virtual wall slash lighthouse. We also got the docking station here. It works. Might not look the best, but it works great. So. And here's the Roomba. The Roomba looks good though. The faceplate is in excellent shape. There's hardly any scratches on the stinks. The bumper looks alright. So you can see the camera though. Zoom out a little bit. So in the bottom of the Roomba right here. Got the brushes right here in great shape. It'll last you for a while. Got a three-legged brush, a side brush here. The wheel, also the front wheel's in top shape. And the dustbin, vacuum bin. And I'll turn off for you guys to see work. Alright. I'll just bump the bumper sensors for you guys to see it works fine. It slows down just like it. Alright, that's it.